From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, much of this week we're going to be playing for the subtropical jet stream streaming right overhead across the area. It's going to keep our weather unsettled and eventually another good soaker on the way. So let's get to it. It's all being dominated by this big trough along the west coast, tapping into that subtropical jet stream, which is almost our version of the atmospheric river. That's what we saw yesterday, the subtropical jet stream, a disturbance riding through it, producing rain. We have a frontal boundary just to the south of us, and this is going to be plaguing Texas for several days, and eventually will deliver, this weather system will swing on through and deliver a good soaking once again as we head into Thursday. So that moisture conveyor belt will continue. You can see it's producing snow where it's colder, rain where it's milder farther to the south. And as we look at the big picture, look at all the winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings here in the pink. This is mainly for an icing event. There's going to be snow on the northern fringe, but there's going to be accumulating ice, and that's the color that you see here, the pink salmon colors. That's where there's going to be ice piling up. We'll talk more about that locally for us in just a bit. But closer to home, plenty of clouds, misty drizzles out there, and even some sunshine as you get down into St. Mary Parish, where temperatures reach the mid-70s to upper 70s this afternoon. Going back to the weekend, the rainfall solid 3 to 5 inches across the region. Doppler estimates too low. They were probably, you could add an inch or two on top of this, so we're soaking wet. The Vermilion's high. All the area rivers are in flood stage, even though minor flood stage. Sabine, Calcasieu, Mermentau, Bayou Nepic, Bayou Decon, and also the Vermilion locally, all in minor flood stage, but this gives us an idea that we're pretty darn saturated. You see the flood warnings for the other rivers farther to the east, including the Pearl, and then an aerial flood watch in advance of the wet weather that's going to be impacting the northwest part of the state and those winter weather advisories farther north and west. So here's that frontal boundary, pushes more down into the Gulf of Mexico tonight, so temperatures cooling most areas down into the 50s by morning, and then tomorrow, clouds maintaining across the area during the day. Few scattered showers, mainly Lafayette on westward, but again, we'll go 30-40% on your rain chances. And then more as we head into Wednesday. I'm tempted to raise the rain chances for Wednesday with the graph model going for a pretty good soaking up towards central Louisiana and the northern part of the state. I have it at 20% right now, but I think we're going to change that based on latest model guidance. Then going into Thursday, low pressure develops on this front, and that's when we expect rain and embedded thunderstorms to be in the mix going into Thursday afternoon. Farther north and west, it's an ice storm. Anything in purple here is better than a half an inch of ice accumulation. So this is going to be hazardous travel from about the Fort Worth area on down through San Angelo and then across a good part of Arkansas as well. So keep that in mind if you're heading that way for travel plans. Locally, the issue in the near term, maybe down along the coast, is going to be fog. We think it's mainly going to be a coastal phenomenon because we're going to see another push of slightly cooler air coming in, but also we got this low cloud deck at about 500 feet. That's going to settle down to 100 or 200 feet, so some light fog for the rest of us. You can see that fog persists through tomorrow morning, but then pushes out into the Gulf of Mexico as that frontal trough works its way a little bit farther to the south. So overnight tonight, we get down into the 50s. Notice it's 40s to the north, 60s toward Morgan City, and then tomorrow, mostly in the 50s. Once again, the southeastern parishes of Acadiana holding in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then eventually cooler air begins to filter in. Temperatures get down into the 40s, a little bit of a wind chill going into tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, and Wednesday will be in the 50s once again. So lots of clouds across the area overnight tonight. Some misty drizzles possible, some fog closer to the coast. We'll go 57 the low. Chance of rain at 20%, maybe a peek at that building moon out there from time to time. Then for tomorrow, we stay in the 50s, mostly cloudy skies, few passing showers, especially into the afternoon hours where we could see a few showers or sprinkles in the region. So overnight tonight through tomorrow, back down into the 50s, cool and unsettled as we round out the week. 90% on your rain chances on Thursday. We'll take a closer look at the rain totals for Thursday coming up at 6, drying out for Friday, and finally a weekend with a Saturday and Sunday with sunny skies and temperatures in the 60s. So it's been a while. More wet weather going into the following
But we're about
week,
that later.
Yeah, we'll
Saturday, Sunday, that's fine.
Let's just concentrate on getting a sunny weekend in, right?
All righty. Thank you, Rob.